Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Good morning. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So today again we are going to start our revision part. But as I told in the previous class that I will not be taking Kahoot, only MCQs only. I will not be taking little bit question answers and extra fill-ups and true and false also are there in your exam. So that's why chapter wise I am preparing. Okay. So today I have done for combustion and flame. Okay. So question answers, fill-ups and true and false for what this particular combustion and flame chapter. Okay.
मैम आप तो मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स और केमिकल इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट का बोले थे पिछली क्लास।
लेकिन जो इजी चैप्टर है ना वो पहले खत्म, क्योंकि एक साथ अगर केमिकल इफेक्ट्स नहीं है अभी उसको धीरे धीरे कराऊंगी मैं, एक एक करके कम्बशन एंड फ्लेम कराऊंगी, उसके बाद आप मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स कराऊंगी। ठीक है, धीरे धीरे एक एक करके।
मैम हम कब तक के रिवीजन करेंगे?
जब तक आप मेरे को पूरा 100% नहीं दे दोगे, क्योंकि मुझे अभी भी मोस्ट ऑफ द सम चिल्ड्रन आर गिविंग मी द आंसर, सम चिल्ड्रन आर
काहूट भी खेलेंगे मैम।
हाँ, काहूट अभी कितना दिन खेले बेटा, बहुत दिन खेले ना, अभी बीच में क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी तो करने हैं। ओके,
यस मैम, यस, ठीक है मैम।
तो फर्स्ट वी विल यू आर एबल टू सी द स्क्रीन?
नो मैम।
मैम लेकिन आप वो दो चैप्टर बोले थे तो मैम मैं तो उसका ही
मैम,
प्रिपेयर
आ रहा है।
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, नहीं कोई बात नहीं।
मैम फिनिश किया।
स्क्रीन इज क्लियर ना? ओके, सो हियर यहाँ मैंने आंसर्स भी लिखा हुआ है, तो ये मैं अपलोड कर दूंगी इफ यू वांट। दिस हियर आंसर्स आर आल्सो रिटन, आई हैव हिडन इट। ओके, सो ये आपका है। फर्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन इज अ डिफाइन
कौन क्या कर रहा है?
हाँ यस यस,
मैम हमें ओनली आपको बताना है।
बस बताना है आपको, इससे मैं पूछूंगी उसी को बताना है। ओके, क्लियर है? महक, महक, आर यू देयर?
मैम,
टेल मी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर, व्हाट इज एक्सप्लोजन? डिफाइन एक्सप्लोजन। Can anybody tell?
मैम may I?
Can I know the name? Naman?
Yes ma'am, I am Naman.
Yes, tell.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am, when combustion take place in very large place and release large amount of heat, sound and light, that is known as explosion. For example, firecrackers.
Correct. So this is your answer. The type of combustion during which huge amount of heat and light is evolved is called as what? Explosion. और explosion की एक खास बात ये रहेगी कि उसमें sound produce होगा, जैसे क्रैकर्स और फायरवर्क्स जब भी होते हैं तो sound produce होता है। Okay, so that is a one more significant feature of explosion. Okay, yeah.
मैम फ्लेम का बताऊं मैं, फ्लेम का?
हाँ, एक मिनट, let me ask. Okay, the next person who will be asking, telling the Pulkit.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Tell me what is flame?
An area of bright, what is flame? A flame, an area of bright burning gas that comes from something that is on fire.
Yes,
called
good.
Flame.
Very good. Flame is a region where the burning or combustion of gaseous substance takes place. Okay, clear?
Yes.
You can see the answers also. Next, define fuel. Define fuel. Who is next? Arham?
मैं बताऊं ये भी?
No, wait. Arham?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Tell. Define fuel.
Ma'am, a fuel is that substance which produce heat or power
on combustion. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So here it is. Yeah. Those substances which provide energy on burning are called as fuels. Okay. So answers also are visible to you now. Next. Disha. Disha.
Yes, ma'am.
Why does a piece of paper burn with yellow flame? Yes. Why does a piece of paper burn with yellow flame? Disha, are you able to answer?
No, ma'am.
Bhumika? Bhumika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell beta.
Ma'am, the piece of paper burns with the help of yellow flame because the yellow flame is the hot, like we can say hot part of the flame.
Hotter part of the flame. क्या होता है हॉटर क्यों वो हॉटेस्ट पार्ट मैं नहीं पूछ रही हूँ व्हाई इट इज बर्निंग व्हाई इट इज येलो इन कलर
It burns.
It burns. There is a one thing called as complete combustion and incomplete combustion, isn't that? Candle flame में मैंने बताया था आपको याद है?
मैं बताऊं क्या?
Yes, that is inadequate supply. देखो complete.
A yellow flame comes about when there is insufficient supply of oxygen.
Yes.
In this case, the hydrocarbons do not burn completely.
Yes.
The
Incomplete
temperature
combustion.
of the flame is lower than that of the blue flame. The yellow flame also leaves behind a black shoot of residue.
Good. Okay. तो याद रखना कहीं भी क्वेश्चन इफ यू आर गेटिंग रिगार्डिंग येलो फ्लेम तो समझ जाना इट इज व्हाट इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन एंड इफ यू आर गेटिंग क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू ब्लू फ्लेम इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट complete combustion and both meaning if there is a complete combustion there is sufficient supply of air but if there is a incomplete combustion then there's limited supply of ऑक्सीजन और inadequate supply of oxygen तो यहाँ पे पेपर के साथ वही होता है कि वो incomplete combustion शो करता है and that's why that means there is a limited supply or inadequate supply of oxygen is there okay that's why what it gives yellow light and also it produces soot soot बोलने से वो काला काला जो produce होता है ना वो that okay
Yes.
okay next what is a combustible substance Ishika
Ma'am, may I?
wait Ishika
Yes, ma'am.
what is a combustible substance
मैं बताऊं क्या?
wait
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Ishika
Yes, ma'am.
yes tell beta
Ma'am, I don't know.
huh
Ma'am, can I?
एक मिनट बार others
Ma'am,
are
Can
also
I tell? Ma'am,
Kushal
can I tell?
Kushal और Kushal
Ma'am, Lux.
Kushal
Ma'am, Lux.
wait Kushal Jain Kushal are you there or not
Lux, बोल दे.
no who else raised your hand
Ma'am, Lux. Ma'am, नमन बता दिया है. Ma'am,
tell
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the substances which burn in air and produce a amount of heat and light are known as combustible substances.
good very good correct hai okay the substance which undergo combustion is called as combustible substance okay next what do you understand by rapid combustion Madhur Madhur I am talking
Yes,
to
ma'am.
you tell me beta next question answer
Ma'am, मैं बताऊं ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
tell what is rapid combustion
The gas burns rapidly and produces heat and light. Such combustion is known as rapid combustion.
good now what it is यहाँ पे आप आंसर भी देख लो the combustion happens at a faster rate is called as rapid combustion okay now next is define calorific value okay this will be answered by Rashi are you there or not
Ma'am, may I?
name
Mehak.
well tell Mehak.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, kilojoule. Kilojoule per kg.
What define you have to define
kg.
define वो तो
No,
उसका
ma'am.
unit हो गया.
Can I tell?
We define अलग होता है बेटा यूनिट अलग होता है ये
Yes,
चीज
ma'am.
Ma'am,
उसी
मैं
को आप
बताऊं क्या?
Ma'am,
Calorific.
Mehak tell her
calorific value is the amount of energy released or produced when 1
No, ma'am,
kg
no.
of fuel burns or any other substance.
Okay, what is the unit of calorific value? Kilojoule per kg. तो वही उसका
मैम
डेफिनेशन
kg
हाँ
किलोजूल
किलोजूल
और
पर केजी ना,
किलोग्राम.
किलोजूल
Yes,
पर
ma'am.
केजी, यानी दैट मींस
Yes, ma'am.
एनर्जी का एक यूनिट है. दैट्स व्हाई द डेफिनेशन विल बिकम द अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिलीज 1 kilojule sorry 1
Ma'am,
kg of fuel is burned.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes.
Amount of energy or heat?
हीट एनर्जी, एनर्जी का एक फॉर्म है ना हीट. तो
Yes, ma'am.
ओके.
मैम
यस
मैम बट किलोजूल पर केजी लिखेंगे तो उसमें जो जे रहता है वो कैपिटल रहता है ना.
नो 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 नो. अच्छा एक मिनट ये देख लो, दिख रहा है?
जे तो कैपिटल है.
क्लियर है? अच्छा मैं दूसरे किसी को नो नो बोल रही थी, सॉरी. ओके, यहाँ पे जो जूल्स में जो आपका जो आएगा वो कैपिटल रहेगा. केजी तो आपको लिखना आता है, किलो का जो के रहेगा वो स्मॉल रहेगा. ओके नेक्स्ट.
मैम अगला वाला तो मैं बताऊंगा मैम.
वेट एक ही बच्चे को मैं थोड़ी दे सकती हूँ. बेस्ट ऑल और
मैं
वेरी
एक बार भी नहीं बनाया हूँ.
श्रेयांश जैन. श्रेयांश, are you there or not? Some children are simply attending and not at all replying. Riddhima,
Ma'am, can I
know the name?
Can I tell?
Ankit?
मैम
मैम
लक्ष्य.
Wait.
Yes, मैम मैं बता दिया.
सूर्यांश.
Black, yellow, blue. उसको आता है अच्छे से.
सूर्यांश.
Yes, ma'am.
Suryansh, tell me the answer, beta. The fourth question.
सूर्यांश.
मैम लक्ष्य को आता है.
Wait, I am asking Suryansh now, he will tell.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, black, blue and orange.
Black.
Ma'am, black, blue and yellow.
Black, blue, orange, yellow. So middle.
No, ma'am, yellow.
Wait. Innermost zone क्या बोल रहे हो आप? Black है. Okay, correct. Middle zone. Middle zone, what you are telling?
Ma'am, yellow.
Yellow and outer zone blue. Correct. Okay.
Blue.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
अब यहाँ पे ये भी याद रखना कि what is a non-luminous zone and luminous zone, इसी में क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा. जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने मेंशन किया है. Okay, the blue color flame is the non-luminous zone. The orange color zone or the yellow color zone is the luminous zone. तो middle आपको अगर by next इसी क्वेश्चन को अगर चेंज करके आया कि what which is a luminous part and which is a non-luminous part, तो luminous part जो रहेगा that will be your middle zone and the non-luminous zone will be your outermost. Okay. So this is the next question. Okay. So your next question is question number 9. This will be answered by Sur. Sur.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Can you see this question number 9 on the screen, or you can see? It is observed a petrol pump and airports that hydrocarbon fire extinguishers are used instead of soda acid. Why? Sur is going to answer. Yes, Sur, tell
can
me.
I?
Wait, Sur is going to.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because of petrol catches fire very fast.
Petrol will burn. Here the question is why you are not using. देखो फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर्स तो बहुत तरीके के आते हैं. सबसे कॉमन फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर होता है जो आप स्कूल्स में और घरों में यूज करते हैं, दैट इज द सोडा एसिड फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर. तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि आप वो साधारण वाला सोडा एसिड फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर क्यों नहीं यूज करते, हाइड्रोकार्बन क्यों यूज करते हो?
Ma'am, because it uses water.
Wait. Sur is going to tell the answer.
Ma'am, because it catches fire very fast.
No.
And soda and.
Yes. और बोलो. Yes. Tell. Yes, tell Sur. I am just okay. Sur.
Ma'am, I have
one doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, and soda can.
Yes, in soda.
Ma'am, soda cannot. मतलब इतनी आग नहीं बुझा पाता वो एक टाइम में.
No, that is not that. Any other person?
Ma'am, may I ask my doubt?
मैम
Yes,
कहना है
tell
मैम
me.
मेरे को आंसर देने दो ना मैम.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. At airports or petrol pumps, the probability of breaking fire from oils and more in case of fire due to oils, soda acid fire extinguisher is not successful because it uses water to cool the combustion substance. Hence, fire cannot be controlled.
Okay. करेक्ट है. सोडा एसिड फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर में सोडा एसिड बनाने के लिए क्या लगता है? वाटर लगता है. दैट मींस दैट पर्टिकुलर सोडा एसिड फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर इज कंटेनिंग what little bit water droplets. Water droplets is what? Is a form of water and that will be dangerous only. So that's why we are not using what? Soda acid fire extinguisher. Okay, this you can see. In petrol pumps, there is a more probability of fire break. Soda fire extinguisher does not work as it contains water or uses water to take off fire by cooling down the place. Okay, clear? Hai? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, who was
Ma'am.
asking me the doubt? Who was asking me the doubt?
Ma'am, I am.
Tell me, beta.
Ma'am, I am saying that it is said to do not smoke and do not call anyone or do not talk in petrol pump. Why? What happens with mobile connection?
बेटा because petrol is a volatile substance. पेट्रोल और डीजल जो होते हैं ना वो क्या होते हैं? वोलाटाइल मतलब जो आसानी से वेपराइज होते हैं. आप देखो कहीं पे अगर मिट्टी तेल गिर गया, पेट्रोल जल गया, गिर गया, तो आप वो हमेशा के लिए वहां थोड़ी पड़ा रहता है. पानी के जैसे थोड़ी देर बाद आप देखोगे कि वो वेपराइज हो चुका है कि नहीं? वेपर हो गया. अब वो आप पहले लिक्विड फॉर्म में था, अब वो वेपर फॉर्म में आ गया. अब जब आप स्मोक करके फेंकोगे तो वो वेपर भी तो क्या आग पकड़ सकता है कि नहीं पकड़ सकता है कि नहीं? क्योंकि वो एक इनफ्लेमेबल सब्सटेंस है.
टेलीफोन है, मोबाइल फोन्स.
मोबाइल फोन से आपका हार्मफुल रेडिएशंस निकलते हैं, पता है ना? इसलिए बोला जाता है कि ज्यादा देर फोन यूज नहीं करना, मोबाइल यूज नहीं करना. बोलते हैं कि नहीं बोलते हैं? क्यों?
Yes, ma'am.
क्योंकि उसमें हार्मफुल रेडिएशंस निकलते
कहाँ से
हैं.
निकलता है रेडिएशन?
यस, हाँ, हार्मफुल रेडिएशन निकलता है. वो जो हमारी बॉडी के लिए डेंजरस है. ये रेडिएशन भी आपको पेट्रोल वगैरह के लिए हार्मफुल रहेगा. ओके, इसलिए जब भी आप ये
Yes,
सब यूज करते हो तो संभाल के यूज करने बोलते हैं. ओके, क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट, what are the advantages of using CNG and LPG as a
Can I, ma'am?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, please
may
may
I tell?
wait, some
May I,
children
ma'am?
those who are
May
not
I tell?
responding, I want
May I
Riddhima,
tell?
wait
मैम मैं
Ma'am,
response नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैम मैं बताऊँ?
एक
Ma'am,
मिनट
Bhumika.
बेटा,
ma'am,
एक
may I?
मिनट. Riddhima, Shreyansh, I'm watching you. People are not at all replying. Just entered and after that no response. Why? Huh? Piyush Jain also same thing. Now what, I have to make a personal complaint or what? Then only you will participate in that. Who is this SJ? SJ, who is that? Who is this? No. Shelly? Shelly,
Yes, ma'am.
answer me the next question, beta. What are the advantages of using CNG and LPG?
Yes, ma'am. The advantage, they can be burned directly. They can be transported easily through pipeline. They give a lot of heat energy when burned. They are clean fuel and do not give smoke when burned.
Okay, they are cleaner fuels. So these are the what your advantages of using CNG and LPG as a fuel. So this is the answer. Okay. Next, list condition under which combustion takes place. इसमें एक common गलती सबने की है एग्जाम में. ऋषिका, are you there or not? Ronak, Rishika. Rishika, are you there or not?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, tell me. Wait 1 second. 1 second. No, wait 1 second.
Yeah.
Just tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
3 things are required. Ma'am, 3 things are required: heat, oxygen, and fuel. There must be fuel to burn.
हीट को कैसा हीट होना चाहिए? हीट का भी एक पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन है ना बेटा? हीट कैसा भी हीट चलेगा, कितने भी टाइम हीट
Ma'am, ignition.
Yes, ignition temperature should be there, otherwise Naman, tell me.
Ma'am, burn नहीं होगा.
हाँ, without ignition temperature it will not
Ma'am.
Yes, Naman, tell me.
Burn.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, oxygen means what are 3 conditions? So oxygen, fuel and heat is okay ना?
हीट में बेटा
और ignition
हीट कंबशन के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर की जरूरत होती है, वो टेम्परेचर हमको मेंशन करना पड़ेगा, इग्निशन टेम्परेचर। देखो आपको वो ये क्वेश्चन लिखाया भी ना, अनलेस एंड अनटिल सब्सटेंस रीचेस इग्निशन टेम्परेचर इट विल नॉट बर्न। तो हीट के साथ आपको इग्निशन टेम्परेचर मेंशन करना जरूरी है। ओके, या ये एग्जाम में बहुत लोगों ने मेंशन नहीं किया था, इसलिए मैं अभी स्पेशली इसमें स्ट्रेस दे रही हूँ। ओके, सो दीज आर सम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, और भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे लेकिन बाद में, अभी पहले फिलअप्स कर लेते हैं। The substance which vaporizes during burning is what? This is Pahel. Pahel.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer of first fill-up?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it gives flame.
Yes, correct. Okay. So here is the first answer. Okay. Now next, a good fuel should have dash calorific value. This will be answered by wait. There are many questions. Match the following is also there. True and false is also there. Okay.
And can I?
Moksh, are you there or not? Moksh, Purvansh,
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
Wait. Here, what I am want to know these children what they are doing. Simply, Purvansh, I am talking to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is the answer of the second fill-up. A good fuel should have dash calorific value. My God, what is this? Are you able to answer?
Ma'am, can I? Yes, ma'am. High calorific value.
It is not the voice of Purvansh. But the answer is correct.
Ma'am, वो नहीं बताया तो मैं बता दिया.
But everybody should participate. The revision is not for few children. It is for everybody. Okay. I don't expect only the answer from few only. Now I get to know who is giving me the answers and who is not giving me the answers. Ronak. Saksham.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer me the third fill-up.
An example of low combustion is
Yes, tell. Are you people searching or what? Anybody else?
Ma'am, can I?
Tell.
ma'am, burning of glucose.
Yes, respiration. That's okay. Respiration एक slow combustion का सबसे अच्छा example है. Dash are the substances that release energy on combustion. Shaurya.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, may I?
Shaurya, 1 minute, 1 minute. Shaurya. Shaurya Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer me the fourth fill up.
Fuel.
Yeah.
Fuel, ma'am.
Yes. You can. Fuels are the correct answer. Next. Sakshi. Sakshi. Sakshi, I'm asking to you.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can answer of fourth be combustible substance?
Yes, fuel is a combustible substance only.
Yes, ma'am.
Sakshi.
Ma'am, may I fifth one?
Sakshi only, na?
No, ma'am. Sir.
Sure. Okay, tell.
Ma'am, may I?
Tell.
Ma'am, air.
Huh? Air or oxygen.
Air.
Okay, both you can write.
Okay.
Magnesium burns to change into. Magnesium burns to change into. Suryansh. Suryansh.
What is the answer of
Fifth one I have seen written here, na, oxygen or air. You can see the answers are also on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Magnesium burns to change into.
Ma'am.
मैग्नीशियम बर्न हो गया ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा ना मैग्नीशियम
Yes, ma'am.
ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट करने के बाद क्या बनाएगा वो
Magnesium oxide.
करेक्ट सिंपल डन ओके नेक्स्ट
Ma'am, seventh, can I tell?
टेल
Ma'am, may I tell?
No, I will tell.
हाँ टेल ना बेटा टेल
Ma'am, I want to tell.
Ideal fuel.
Good.
No,
Good.
ma'am.
Wood is an
Ideal
example
fuel, no?
of.
No.
No, it is
Ma'am.
not an ideal fuel.
Ma'am, can
pollution
I?
Solid
करता है.
fuel.
Solid fuel. Yes. Dash is an example of liquid fuel. ये तो बहुत easy है आप दे सकते हो. कोई भी
Kerosene, petrol.
Yes.
हाँ कुछ भी
Kerosene,
kerosene ले सकते हो petrol diesel anything you can write. Okay. Dash is carbon dioxide is dash than oxygen. This is can be
Heavier.
answered.
Heavier. Heavier.
Heavier than oxygen. Okay.
Oxygen.
Next. Oxides of dash and nitrogen causes acid rain. Hardik.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, Hardik.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell? Rashi.
Ma'am, can
Rashi and Aman say Laksh.
Ma'am, Laksh.
Yes, that's only children.
Ma'am, I tell.
Ma'am, Bhumika.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Laksh.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Bhumika tell.
Rashi.
Ma'am, Laksh.
Bhumika tell. Lakshna, I will give you the next step.
Pulkit.
Okay,
Oxide of
Huh?
nitrogen and acid, we can say.
No, ma'am.
Nitrogen.
Ma'am, may I tell 10th one?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
may
can
When
I?
you answer, Bhumika, I am talking to you only.
May I?
Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide.
That means oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. Okay. Next,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
increase in the amount of dash gas in
मैं बताऊंगा
atmosphere.
मैम ग्रीन
Ma'am, ma'am.
मैम अपने को बोले थे लक्ष्य.
Lakshya, tell Lakshya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Carbon
carbon
dioxide
dioxide
gas.
gas.
Correct. Good. Next, question number 12. Inflammable substances have very low dash.
Ignition temperature.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ignition
good.
temperature.
Ignition temperature.
Ma'am, can I tell the 13
The
answer?
blue.
Begin name.
Outer zone.
Love your Sony.
Outermost
I
zone.
love you. Tell. Wait, love you.
Outermost
Will tell
zone.
answer. Rest all.
Outer zone.
Outermost zone.
outermost zone. Good, Lavya. Outermost zone is the hottest. Okay. और यहाँ पे नॉन लिमिनस लिखा है, वो ब्लू को ही बोलते हैं, ब्लू जोन या आउटर मोस्ट जोन. ठीक है. नॉन लिमिनस. वेट. यस. नेक्स्ट वन.
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट वन. टेल.
इस चीज के लिए लेट हो गया.
हाय.
लेट हो गया.
हाय.
क्या? अच्छा, मैं तो कल रात
Ma'am, can I tell 14?
2 बजे उठा था. हाँ. 2 बजे.
Ma'am,
5 बजे तक.
can I tell?
यहाँ पे मेरे को इतनी आवाज नहीं चाहिए. भाभी. Okay, Sakshi, I got it. Madhur, your answer is correct. Yes, Lakshya. Naman. Okay, Naman, tell me.
Ma'am, light and heat.
Light and heat, correct. LPG has a calorific value of dash
Ma'am, can I?
kilojoule per kg.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, 55,000.
Yes. Okay. So this was all the answers of your fill-ups and the all these things. Okay. Now next is your match the following. Okay. So first one is CN. This is Bhavi. 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 Are you listening or not? Chaitanya?
Ma'am, can I tell first one?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, can I tell, please?
Ma'am, compressed natural gas.
Yes, correct. Chaitanya, are you there or not?
No.
Next
Ma'am,
one
I
is
am there.
Chaitanya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, son, ma'am, it is equal to hottest. Ma'am, sun equal to hottest.
Okay, this the second one is okay.
Ma'am, can I tell third one?
2A it is next it is 2A it is what
Ma'am,
it is.
can I?
2A is the hot
Ma'am,
nuclear
LPG
reaction.
equal to
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Liquefied petroleum gas.
gas.
yes, ma'am. That was
LPG is liquefied petroleum gas correct. लेकिन second का किसी ने गलत बोला था hottest. Hottest नहीं आएगा. Sun में nuclear reactions होते हैं.
मैम चैतन्य बोला था.
Okay. Lavanya.
Yes,
Lavanya,
ma'am.
sorry. Fireworks. Fireworks.
Explosion.
Yes. Fireworks explosion. Next, innermost zone.
मैम नॉन लुमिनस जोन आएगा ना.
Yes, यहाँ पे जोन से रिलेटेड रहेगा. नॉन लुमिनस जोन जो रहेगा वो किससे रिलेटेड रहेगा? देखो किससे कौन सा है आपका नॉन लुमिनस जोन. Non-luminous zone is related to which one? Shreyansh? No, no reply. Where are they? I don't understand till now. Sakshi?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait.
Ma'am, now can I?
Sakshi? Sakshi, are you able to listen or not? Piyush? No. Moksh? Moksh?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you hear me? Ma'am, may I tell of
Yes, ma'am.
ninth one?
Wait, VP ma'am is telling something.
Can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Yes. Ma'am, good morning. Do one thing. Children, those who are not answering, put them absent.
Okay,
Mark absent for them, don't give them attendance. And students, those who are in the class, can you hear me, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We can hear
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
When man is calling and if you're not answering, they will be marked absent. Tell your friends, okay? I'm watching
Yes,
everything
ma'am.
from. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Now coming back
Ma'am,
to
may I tell?
yes, name.
Bhumika.
Bhumika, tell me your non-luminous zone.
Hottest. G hottest.
Non-luminous zone is the hottest. Okay.
G hottest.
Yes, correct. Innermost zone.
Least hot.
Ma'am.
Wait,
Least
wait,
hot.
wait.
Hot,
Don't
ma'am.
answer in groups. That I
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
like.
Least hot.
I am Lavya Soni.
Lavya, how? Okay, Lavya. Unmute yourself. Lavya. Lavya, tell the answer, beta. Lavya, tell me the answer now. Lavya.
Ma'am, E1.
What?
Option E.
Option
E.
Innermost zone is the
E.
least hot. Okay, correct. Good. Now next is the combustion. Combustion is next. It is Rash. Nashi not. ये तो हो गया यही बच्चे हैं but virus the other I don't understand. Chaitanya. Chaitanya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I give answer?
Yes, you give answer.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
one.
Can I give
Combustion.
answer?
Yes, yes. Give combustion.
Ma'am, combustion. Ma'am, it is a combustion equal to exothermic chemical reaction.
Option number I you are telling, isn't that? Yes, correct. Okay.
Yes,
Next.
ma'am. Okay.
भूमिका तो हो गया. भावी. Bhavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavi, tell me the next answer. Phosphorus.
Oxide of nitrogen and sulfur.
Phosphorus is related to oxide, no? Yeah, which will be most suitable to it? Yes. Who want to answer? Okay, Naman answer.
Ma'am, combustible at 55 degrees Celsius.
Correct. Good. Very good. Next. Bhavi, can you answer the next one? Bhavi? Are you able to answer the next one?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, tell. Bhumika is that?
Ma'am, Pehel.
Okay, Pehel, tell.
Ma'am, option J, oxide of nitrogen and sulfur.
Correct. Good. Hydrogen, एक ही बचा. अब hydrogen का क्या होगा? One is left. That is F. That is your highest
calorific value.
Okay, so this was your.
Ma'am, can I tell the calorific value of? Ma'am.
Yes.
Can I tell the calorific value?
Yes. Tell.
Ma'am, 1,50,000.
Good. Very good. Now next is Kushal. 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 No response. Mehak. Mehak, answer the first one.